Naunahan tayo, shoot, wrestler to eh. So gagawin ko, ipit, step, pinch, di ba? Nag-pinch ako. Ang gawin ko ngayon is, instead of just going underhook here, I wanna go underhook and reach both. Okay? I wanna create a lot of options for me. So naka-pinch ako, notice naka-trap pa to. If he wants to wrestle up, punish them for doing so. Pinch. Di ba? Punish the wrestlers. So galing dito. Coach, notice, ang paa nandito sa ilalim. Di ba? Medyo mahirap. Good news, I have the heel. All I have to do is to just drop towards this side. Okay? Bababa lang ako, and remember, sungkit lang nito. Huwag tong malambot na parte, etong blade ng wrist nyo. Habang nandiyan dyan, okay, pwede nyo i-rotate dito. Okay? Okay lang yun. Ang problem, you give a lot of space for your partner to kick. I want to put my entire weight towards this side and lift my hip. Okay? Para minimal ang chances na tumuli. Now, coach, that is under the condition na nandito. Paano pag nandito? Right? So, ang habol ko ngayon is two things. It's either I go for a clover leaf right here and stretch. Keep it, notice.
Mas delikado siya palagi.
Naman. So,
Walang delikado, lahat to delikado.
or white belts. Legal. Also legal. This is also a straight foot lock. Sorry, man. Now, coach, ayoko talaga niyan. Gusto ko route na heel hook. So, galing dito, remember ginagawa, tinatago natin siya. Ipit, pababa ako. Now, a little bit of downward elbow dito. Think Muay Thai. Bam, shot,